Welcome back to Cool Beans. Today we're going to teach you how to make a 1-minute pink lemonade. So for this super simple recipe, you're just going to get a Vitamix Air container and we're going to put in 1.5 cup of water. 2 cups of ice to give it like a slushy texture. Perfect for a summer day. Then obviously we're gonna need a few strawberries, fresh from the farm. I find that when I put strawberries in any smoothie, it makes it a lot more refreshing and it just puts some of a sweet taste in it. 1 lemon. Don't worry about removing the peel. I'm using organic honey to add a little bit of sweetness to the whole mix, but you can also use a 1/4 cup of sugar if you're into that. Now let's blend it. Once it's all blended, you can just pour it in, and that's how simple this recipe really is. And it tastes very good too. And for garnish, you can just add a mint leaf at the top. If you guys enjoyed this healthy and sweet pink lemonade recipe, be sure to like and subscribe and turn on the bell icon so you're notified about our new videos. See you next time!